Yeah. Ooh. And boom.
Yeah.
Boom. Now what's in the sauce? Oh yeah. Hello and welcome back to another scorching hot day in Siem Reap, Cambodia. And I love burgers wherever I go. And I think I may have just found the best burger in Siem Reap and potentially the best burger in all of Cambodia. I've been trying burgers all around this town for the last few days, and this is the best burger I think I've had in all of Southeast Asia. So it's up at this place called Joe's. And here we are, Joe's Burger Bar and Grill. I don't really say this often, but this is the best burger I've had in a long time. It's better than I've had in America too. Hello. 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 Check it out, you got all the burgers here. Pick up a menu, comes from one of these little iPads. And my favorite one are the smash patties. It's Australian beef, 2 times American cheese, gherkins. Gherkins was actually equal pickles. It's a special sauce and mustard. And I guess, I've heard of Oklahoma burgers before, but I've never had one until here. And so, we're gonna get one of these guys. Hopefully we can get into the kitchen and check it out, because that would be ideal. I'd love to see how they make it. Okay guys, so we're gonna get a little bit of a look in the kitchen with the owner, Miss Julie. Thank you so much for letting us in. And check out how the burger's actually made. Nice kitchen, nice kitchen. We have the rice cooker. Oh, and these are the chips. The chips are so good. Okay, this is how you make the burger. The bun, toasting up the bun.
Yeah.
Yeah, and here comes the meat. For this.
This is a meatball, 75 grams.
75 grams.
Put on the hot.
Yeah. Good too. I've never actually seen this be done. Ooh, look at that smoke. Wow. Boom.
One more.
Boom. Wow. Cooks so fast too.
You have to wait for the split are gone.
Yeah.
So the meat turns a little bit.
Ah, make it turn a little bit brown.
Yeah. And then crispy from the bottom.
And crispy from the bottom. That smells so good. It smells so good.
So when you scoop it out, you have to be brown.
Ah.
That's the trick.
Ah, and then you flip it and boom, look at that.
Yeah.
Nice char in the bottom.
Yeah. Char and crispy.
Yeah. Ooh, there you go. That is so, look at that crust. That is delicious. And then you add the cheese. Ooh, yeah, the American cheese. And the sauce. Oh, this is the special sauce.
Special sauce.
I was talking, yeah.
Homemade sauce.
Ooh, now what's in the sauce? Secret. Ah, it's a secret sauce. It's a good sauce. It's very good.
So,
Ooh,
scoop it,
look at that.
put it on.
Mmm.
So you have to go back to the top
Ah.
one more round. So the top have to be
Double
crispy,
sauce.
yeah.
Yeah, I see. Pickles, some pickles. And they call that gherkin.
yes.
Yeah, gherkin. Boom.
There you go. And now you serve on the plate.
Then you serve on the plate. Jeez
So
Louise.
next step.
Delicious.
Share off the chips.
And boom.
Yeah. Then
Boom.
hot.
And these chips are really good. They taste just like you may get them in England.
Yeah.
Really good chips. They triple fry these chips. And they cut them right there. Are they fresh cut chips?
No, this is, you have to cook already cooked 2 times.
Okay.
First is boiled, second is
Yeah.
it's we
A
fry
fried.
the oil.
And then this is the third fry.
Yes, this is
Nice.
the third fry.
But look, they're nice and thick and really good. Really good chips. And you got the Food Panda, you can
Yes,
order online.
the Food Panda.
Nice.
Yeah, the company.
The Cambodian takeaway. Yeah.
They call the Nyam 24 app.
Niem 24.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. You can order online.
online you order,
Nice.
you want to be on Panda, you want to be on the local delivery, it's called Nyam 24. And you can stay, take it out, and toss it,
Toss it.
put some salt on it.
Ah. And then it's good to go.
It's in pink salt.
Pink salt. Ah, pink salt. How long do you fry for?
We take around 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Yeah, to make it crispy. The oil will not go too hot.
Not too
and
hot.
Not go too low.
Ah, I see. So you set the temperature exactly.
Yes.
I see.
So look at this golden brown.
I mean, whatever you do, they taste very good.
So now we drain the oil away.
Yep.
And
In it
then
goes
we go from with the
to the
salt.
bucket. We go over here so with the
Pink
salt.
There you
Oh
go.
yeah, check it. Pink salt.
Yeah, and then we toss that.
Toss it up. Mmm.
Yeah. And then we serve with the plate.
Boom.
Normally you can
Boom. A little bit of ketchup.
Ketchup.
And
On
boom.
the side.
And boom.
Here you go.
Delicious. Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Thank
Julie.
you.
Let's go give it a go. Let's go give it a taste. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Enjoy.
Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Hello. This is
Nice.
your staff.
Kitchen assistant.
Kitchen assistant, yes.
And that's my another staff.
Ah,
She
you're
doing
rolling up the meatballs.
Yeah, she's doing
Ah, you're rolling up all the smash patties.
no, this is for beef burger.
Oh, for beef burger.
The smash.
Yeah.
And the beef burger.
Gotcha. Cause yeah, that's right. You do the beef and the smash.
Yeah.
I've only tried the smash. I'll try next.
No, really, because the steak burger.
Yeah, the steak burger.
Smash burger.
Ah, okay. I will try the beef next time. The smash is very good. Very good.
Okay, guys.
Nice kitchen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll go give it a go. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, that was pretty cool. Okay. Back at the counter now. Have a little coconut here. Go check it out. The cheese is kind of melted now. You get the special sauce and boom. Here we go. Feels delicious. Oh yeah. That is so good. I think it's the sauce. The combination of the sauce and the cheese and like a buttery little bun, it is so good. And the crispiness of the beef patty there, beyond delicious. Beyond delicious. Fried fresh too. Absolutely delicious.
And come with the special sauce.
We got a special sauce.
Yeah.
The fries.
That's for the chips.
For the chips, yes, for the chips. These are chips, just like a, delicious. Give it a go. Dip in the burger in there. And so I found this place on random. I was just walking on the road with my brother. We kind of hungry, so we decided to give it a go. And we've been coming back pretty much every day since. It's that good. If you're ever in Siem Reap, highly recommend Joe's Burger Bar. Beyond delicious. Beyond delicious. And now you got to see how they were made. It was super nice of Julie to take us into the kitchen and show us how they're made. Absolutely incredible. The special sauce. Oh, that's it there. Mixing the sauces. Ketchup and special sauce. Highly recommend this place. Joe's Burger Bar and Grill here in Siem Reap. I think this is maybe the best burger in all of Siem Reap. But hey, let me know. What do you think? Have you tried Joe's before? Any other burger places you'd recommend to try? I haven't been able to find anything better than this in a long time. And I like this place a lot. So, hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.